Hi everyone, Greg here. Hey, check what I've got. It's a new barbecue, and it's all thanks to my Patreon, so thank you very much. And I'm not a barbecue expert, and I'm not going to say that I am, but I'm going to start learning, and I want to become the best barbecuer this side of the main road. So today I thought I'd christen the barbecue by cooking some hot dogs on it. But not just any old hot dogs, it's a Kransky hot dog stuffed with cheese wrapped in bacon. Oh yeah, I love bacon. So, how about we get started on this Kransky hot dog? I hope I don't stuff this up. Let's start cooking. So I've got some Kranskys here, I've got some bacon, I've got some cheese as well, and I've got some onions. Ooh, these take the longest to cook, so we better get those on. Now I've had the barbecue warming up for a while. I've got it on a medium heat. But first of all, we need to cook these onions. Of course, I'm going to need some butter, aren't I, to cook the onions in. Nice. We want to get these onions nice and caramelised. Oh, that smells absolutely amazing already. Anyway, we better get started on these dogs. So what I want to do is pretty much just cut them in half. Oh, these have already got cheese in them. Cheese Kranskys. Oh, is there anything better? Yes, there is. It's called bacon. And I'll start heating these up. Oh, these onions look awesome already. Alright, well it's been a few minutes, so let's have a look on it. Oh yeah baby, that's the way you want it. Nice and cooked. Yeah, I think they are already cooked, so you just sort of want to heat them up. But you do want a bit of colour on them, don't you? It's nothing better than a bit of burnt bit. I love a bit of nice crispy sausage. How are these onions doing? They are looking very nice indeed. Well, I reckon those sausages have warmed through enough, so whip those off, just put them over here. Now I want to wrap these sausages with some bacon, but I don't want raw bacon on the inside, even though it's already par cooked. I still don't really want the raw bacon on the inside, so what I'm planning on doing is just chucking it on for a minute or two. Probably one, more than two. And while that bacon's doing its thing, time to grab the cheese slices. And I'm just going to start tearing them and putting it along these inside of the hot dog. Yummo! So now this bacon should be partly cooked on one side. Yep. So with that cooked side, I'll turn it over and have the cooked side laying upwards. Now this will probably take the skin off your fingers, so have 000 or 911 pre-dialed on the phone just in case. So what we need to do is just put the lids back on these sausages. Yeah. And now I need to just put the sausage on the bacon here and roll it up. If you've got a nice straight sausage, then that's probably more healthy than a bent one. I think this is actually working, or at least half working. So now it's time to grab your sausage. What I'm going to do is put it down on where the join is here. Hopefully that'll seal it. And now we just have to cook those sausages until the bacon on the outside's all nicely crisped, or to your personal desire. I know mine's crisp. Well, half crisp. Now, of course, if your hot dog is falling apart a bit, just grab a toothpick stick it through the bacon there. That'll keep it nice and secure. I should have done that first. Now, of course, the purpose of that bacon is to hopefully stop all that cheese from just falling out while it's cooking. It's nearly done. We better grab some bread. Now, what would bread be without some more butter, of course? Oh, yeah. I might just put that on one side because on the other side, I'm putting one of my favourite condiments, hot English mustard. I don't know if there's anything even better than this. Is there? Yes, there is. It's called bacon. So I'll put some of that on. Wow, you know what? I think I put way too much on. You beauty. I love it when it goes right up the back of my nose. That's the plan, at least. All right, well, this looks nicely cooked indeed. So we'll shove that on there, along with some onions. And there you have it. A delicious cheese-stuffed Kransky hot dog wrapped in bacon and loaded with onion, with that nice touch of spicy hot English mustard. I can't wait to tuck on into this. Now go ahead and add on any other extras you want, tomato sauce or maybe some barbecue sauce, jalapenos. How about a corn cob? Nah, that wouldn't work. How about some relish or pickles? Oh, just put on whatever you want. Anyway, I've been looking at this long enough and hopefully it's cooled down enough that I can actually bite into it. So let's give it a go. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. It's cheesy, it's greasy, and it needs a bit of tomato sauce. But the cheese has melted nicely through it, and I tell you what. That's quite a feed. Well, there you go, some hot dogs on the barbie. That was actually pretty easy. You might want to have those toothpicks handy though, and make sure you pin that bacon on, or it might get a little bit messy. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and enjoy the rest of this beautiful winter's day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. And hopefully next time I record a video outside, I won't be as embarrassed as I am now with all my neighbours sitting and watching. Cheers, guys. See you soon. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen with today I made a delicious bacon wrapped cheese stuffed Kransky hot dog. How good did it look on my new barbecue?